first thing I want to mention is Ebates. A lot of YouTubers here talk about it, but Ebates is awesome. Essentially, you literally just need to have it installed. And also you can have it installed as a browser extension, which is really awesome because you literally will go to a web page and it'll pop up saying, hey, you can save this % of money when you click this. And you click it, activate it, you buy your stuff, and you get money back. It's literally just that simple. My last big fat check, as they call it, I literally got almost $30 back, and that's quarterly. So every quarter you get the total money back, which is really, really awesome. They either can send you a flat check or you can have it deposited into your PayPal account, which is also really awesome. Especially on Sephora, I often see sometimes as much as 8% cash back, which is a ton. I mean, it may not sound like a lot, but if you're buying $100 worth of makeup, you're getting $8 back, which is pretty cool, especially because Sephora never has sales, which I will get into. The other thing I wanted to mention, which is really cool and a lot of people don't know, basically if you shop more than twice a year on Sephora's website, you need to get flash shipping. It is $10 a year if you're not a VIB Rouge. My dog wants to come in, hold on. So VIB Rouges actually get flash shipping for free. I am a VIB Rouge, which means I don't have to pay for it, but it also means I've spent too much money at Sephora. But flash shipping, $10 a year, and it's 2-day shipping. So if you shop more than twice a year, you're going to be saving money because instead of paying $5.95 for standard shipping, you're paying $10 for 2-day shipping, which I think is pretty awesome. It's basically like Amazon Prime, except it's only for makeup. The other thing is silly, but wait for sales. Sephora does VIB sales twice a year, and it'll either be a standard amount of cash off a minimum purchase, or they do % off. I will always kind of wait, especially in April and like August. I'm so sorry.
Wait, hold on. Let me open this right quick.
She was on a roll. I'm so sorry.
I know.
I was.
You were.
I personally will always save a cart around April and August for the VIB sales just because I know that they're coming. I usually will save as much as $800 worth of product because, especially for the 20% off sales, those are the best. You definitely want to know when they're coming and get online right away, especially if you're trying to get something that's definitely more sought after. If everyone's going to be buying that product, you want to get on it first. So just be aware of that when it comes to sales season. The other thing Sephora does is their weekly wows, which is something kind of newer. Every Thursday they bring out a new set of things that are on sale, and it's actually really good most of the time. I bought a lot of my makeup during the weekly wows. Concealers, eyeshadow palettes, all kinds of things will go on sale during then. Usually as much as 50% off, which is really awesome as well. So always keep an eye on that if you're looking for a particular type of makeup item, to check out the weekly wows first to see what they have available. The other thing, again, is kind of silly, but if you guys don't want to spend the money on a full-size product, see if there's trial sizes, because Sephora usually always has trial sizes. My dog is in front of me and I'm petting her, sorry. But Sephora often has trial sizes available if you're not ready to spend the full amount on something that you haven't tried before. I personally will just buy the full size because I usually know what I like, but if you don't, then try it out first. The other thing that I really want to mention is the fact that you can return makeup to Sephora. I'm really bad about that because I feel guilty and I feel bad, especially when I've used it. It just feels weird to return it. A lot of people don't know this, but you can even return makeup to Sephora without the box, which is actually really cool. That depends on where you live. I live in America where you can return used makeup. I know there's other countries that you can't, but if you can, please just return makeup you don't like because it will save you money in the long run. And the last thing that is not Sephora related, but it's definitely luxury makeup related, is Beautylish. I often will buy my makeup from Beautylish, especially when I'm buying bigger collections or more expensive items, because you can actually do 3 payments. Most of the time when I buy my Jeffree Star collections, I buy them on Beautylish because I can't drop $300 on a single collection at once. I'm sorry, Jeffree. But it allows me to do 3 payments, which makes it a lot easier on the wallet and doesn't make me feel as guilty. So if you guys are ever interested in that, check it out. You don't need credit. You don't even need to be 18 to do it. You just need to make your payments on time. And they will even adjust your payment date for you by a couple of days if you need that. I once had it set for like the 17th, but I wasn't getting my paycheck till the 18th, and they moved it till the 19th for me, which I thought was really nice of them. And they're also locally based in San Francisco. I live in the Bay Area, so I get my shipping really quick from them because they're literally an hour away. But yeah, guys, I think that kind of does it for this video. If you have any other ideas on how to save money at Sephora, please leave them down in the comments down below. But yeah, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like me or you like this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.